Look at that, there's the, I'm just giving you a shot of the crane. There we go. I remember this from a long time ago. There you go. Crane taking that way up. I don't know, that looks like an air conditioning unit that crane is taking up in the sky. I'm down here on Queen West, by the way. That's an air conditioning unit, as I mentioned. That's what it looks like. It's on the pallets. It's a very warm day today. It's probably about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This is some kind of condo or something. They're down here by Cam H. You can see them in by Cam H. I'm using a 5 megapixel camera. Yeah. It's way up. There's the good sights of the soundstage for other stuff if you want to look at it. It looks like they're putting in, I'm guessing, air conditioning units in this particular building. Parking enforcement. And that'll be a wrap for me today. Yeah. So that's a wrap.